With OpenBridge Designer, we are solving your critical business issues. Using its model-centric approach, OpenBridge Designer creates a big model for your project, as it incorporates the latest technology advancements for designing in a reality context. Point cloud data, drone photos and videos, reality meshes. Then, the engineer will have a true representation of the field conditions right in his desktop. During his design process, he needs to incorporate the latest design codes and government regulations into the bridge project. OpenBridge Designer, with its intelligent modeling, establishes data associations among the bridge elements, reflecting the design intent of the engineer. OpenBridge Designer also allows the interaction with multiple disciplines. Since bridges are not designed in an isolated environment, we need input from roadway, geotechnical, drainage, and others. So using MicroStation as our common BIM platform, we are able to integrate these multiple disciplines into a federated model that retains the ownership of the information per discipline, improving collaborations, accuracy, and efficiency. Then, it is the BIM model created and its real-time interaction with other engineering disciplines that makes the process to adapt to change more efficient. And we know changes could be small, like a change in the slope of the deck, for example. But what about dramatic changes, adjustments in the bridge limits, adjustments in the profile of the bridge? Then, there is no need to redo the project from scratch to incorporate those changes. Using its federated model and intelligent associations, OpenBridge Designer allows us to incorporate those changes, even if they are last minute. Then, as we can design in a true reality context, incorporated the design intent of the engineer, being able to integrate multiple disciplines, as we also need to adapt to change throughout the project lifecycle. At the end, we can reap the benefits as with great improvements in our project deliverables. Drawings are generated from the model, so if the model changes, the plans also change. Geometry and quantity reports are also extracted from the model, as these translate into better designs, more efficient work, as we are able to meet the tightest deadlines and budgets.